Hello everyone, welcome to Sourav's classes. Today I'm going to discuss about our courses. Okay, so we have 150 nearabouts courses and it's for competitive exam. It's like ISS, ISI, IIT JAM, SSC, WBCS and many more. Okay, so we provide online session. Also, we provide the doubt clearing session that is of one-to-one, and also we have the recorded classes. If you miss any classes, you can get the classes recorded. Okay, and we have also last 20 years question answer solution and 60 plus mock test. Okay, so we guide for the competitive exam up to exam crack, and after exam crack we also guide for the interview session. So if you are preparing or you want to prepare for any competitive exam, you can enroll here, and also we will guide definitely up to exam crack. 99% we means guide for you. So do enroll now, and hurry up, and best of luck. Thank you.